Hey guys, I was golfing the other day with an older gentleman and I saw him use one of these golf ball retrievers. So I wanted to talk about a few things you need to think about before you get this. But it's really cool. Obviously, you can use it to retrieve the golf ball after putting. Makes it easier. You don't have to bend down. You can just use your putter and pretty much you stab it and the ball clicks into place. Just like that. I'm going to use it for my putter, but also we go looking for golf balls in the water and stuff like that. So I'm going to put it on a long telescopic pole and use it to get golf balls out of the water for that kind of retrieval. A couple things I wanted you to know about. So your putter probably has a hole on the top of its shaft. It's a small hole, but this can actually screw into that. Now, it screws in pretty easily, and you have to worry about that, but some things to think about. The hole on the top of my shaft was actually off-center. So you can see here how this is off-center. Now, that doesn't bother me, but just something to think about with your golf putter shaft. If your hole is in the center, it just might line up nicer. Second thing to think about, in your golf bag, when you put your putter back into the golf bag, it might be a tight squeeze if you have one of the golf bags with a bunch of holes, smaller holes on the top, which I do. So this does fit, and it's kind of a snug fit, but I wanted you to know about that. And you can probably see in the video here of how snug a fit it is where I put it through. So my golf bag has its own hole for the putter. So I just wanted you to think about that as well. Other than those two things, screws on very easily, very simple concept. Works really well. And yeah, you can pick it up from a golf ball hole anywhere around the golf course. And if you're into golf ball retrieving like I am, this can be put on a shaft or telescopic pole and used to get out of the water or into hard to reach places. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.